This is my Range Rover L322, and unfortunately it has failed its MOT, and it's all because of me. Because I have been focusing too much on the L405 trying to fix the engine. What engine? This engine here. To put it plain and simple, my rear shock absorber is leaking oil. Now usually I do prepare the car for MOT, but honestly I was so busy and I just went to MOT center without checking the car. Some of you may not know this, but I do actually daily this Range Rover L322 Autobiography that I bought a few years ago, and since then I have been looking after it without a single garage visit, doing all the services myself, and I even fixed a bad oil leak coming from the inlet manifold. These are the parts that I have to replace today. The car is on the floor on jack stand, not on the two-post lift. I could easily remove this Range Rover from the two-post lift, put it outside and bring this car here, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this on the floor as if you will be doing it on a driveway. I will not be using special tools. I will not be using lights. I will basically be using jack stands and some tools. Let me show you what I'm going to be using today. Some wire brushes. You can go electric or you can do it manually. Some WD-40. I'm sure everyone has one. 2 sockets. So we're going to be using number 21 and then here 16 millimeter. Also, if you have one of these, that's great. If you have a breaker bar, even better. This would work. Don't forget, you need some light since you're working under the car, and some safety glasses. That's what I'm going to be using today to do this job. I'll show you how easy it is. Listen, 3 bolts on the top, 1 bolt on the bottom, 3 bolts behind the seat, and 1 on the bottom of the wheel. It's as simple as that. Watch till the end of the video because I'm going to make it super easy for anyone who's struggling. I do have a leak. Let's get this sorted. I put WD-40 and I wire brushed it and I took this off. And there is another bolt over here. WD-40 and wire brush it. I'm just going to remove the nut from the other side. I'm gonna clean this up and I'm gonna put Loctite on it and I'm gonna put it back because it's in a good shape, but it just needs a bit of cleaning. Let me show you on the other side. It's just a bolt like that. It's that long. It smells like hydraulic oil. It's definitely it. So over here there are 3 nuts that we need to take out. It's easy to get to it. Just remove the tray. It comes over the spare tire and fold the seats in the back. So I'm gonna put one hand on the actual, what's it called, Alex? Shock absorber. And I'm gonna put one hand on the nut because I don't want it falling on the floor. I forgot to show you inside, but there's an electric connection, just remove it. And just so you know, that's the leak.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
It's very obvious now, huh?
Yeah.
Let's put the new one in and see how that works. I'm just putting the copper grease or NTCs on the top here, and I'm going to put at the bottom here, just a little bit, just to ease things going in and to avoid it from rusting in case someone needs to replace it in the future. I like how I say someone as if I'm planning to sell this car. Never. So I'm gonna make this pointy triangle facing that way, and the 2 bolts here, they are the rear bolts. And I'm going to turn this bit that's sticking out facing back of the car, and this is on the inside. We're talking the top 3 nuts, 60 Newton meter. And the bottom one is gonna have to be 90. Just like that. 60. We are MOT ready. It's all good to go. But I never go half measures. I always take it to maximum. Listen, you're doing this side. I am here. Might as well do the other side. I think that's the best way. Yeah? What do you think, Alex?
I agree.
Yeah.
Better to do them at the same time together.
Yeah. Can you see how the fluid's been leaking on a tire?
Yeah.
I was so arrogant to doubt the MOT tester. He was right. If you're listening to this video, I am sorry, I doubted you, mate. You're absolutely right. I was too arrogant to admit that my car has a problem. It's you know, I look after it so much, and if someone tells me there's something wrong with the car, it just hurts. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I wonder if anyone else feels the same. What's left to do is torque the wheels, then we'll go for a drive, and tomorrow we'll see if he'll pass the MOT or they'll have more comments on that. I'll catch you up, guys, on tomorrow morning. Of course, we got the MOT sorted. It's all good. We've passed it, flying colors. Anything that was wrong with that car, now it's all sorted. No advisories, no major defects or anything like this. But you know what? I apologize. I have forgot about YouTube law. Apparently, in the YouTube law, when you remove the rear shocks, you must show everyone and test them how they bounce. So this one is the one that didn't have any problem, but I replaced it anyway. And this one, if I can show your attention here, look how much oil came out of it. Now, I want to say something. It's not severe, but it was good enough to put it as a defect. Let's see. Oh my God, Alex.
I heard something.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, like a lick.
Yeah, listen. And then that one turns. This one, can you see that turns like this?
Yeah.
That one does not turn. So apparently in YouTube law, it says I have to do the compression test. I can already tell, I hope the camera can pick it up, but I can already tell this one is lower than this one. Can you see it?
Yes.
Is it supposed to be lower? I don't think so. I think it's supposed to be the same exact height. But YouTube law says we have to press on them. So let's see. So I'm pressing, oh wow. The one on the left
It's going lower?
yeah, faster than the one on the right. And then if we let go, the one on the right is going up. You know what? That's not fair. Let me get the wood there and press on both of them at the same time. I've got this one and I'm gonna compress it. You can see the other one hasn't decompressed, but I'm just gonna, when it reaches it, okay, here you go. Now I'm gonna compress on both of them so we have equal measures. Oh my God, it's heavy. Right, I'm gonna let go. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, so that one is bouncing up, but not that quick. But it is bouncing up. But you see that one that is faulty? Yeah. It's not going up?
No.
This one is going up. Now, I don't know if this is normal or because it's old, it's not going that far. But look, yeah.
I can see the difference.
Yeah, you see the difference. This is an expensive box that I cannot carry alone. It needs two people to carry. It's full of goodies. Again, it's for the next video. More stuff, more stuff. Yeah, these are testers. We'll talk about it in the next video, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you find it valuable. If you have, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for future videos. And again, I thank you very much for watching. See you later.